you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Eugenia. I'm a designer and I make some crazy stuff, but you might know me because of soldering videos and jewelry. But I just want to show you a few things that I've made for Halloween because she's coming. The first one up is this. Like, look at her. Look how gorgeous. Poked feathers through the hat. It looks really cool and weird and like perfect for Halloween. Let me put it on and show you. This is how she looks. Pretty crazy, right? Like, so happy with this one. Let me show you other pieces real quick because I have a video of how I made this. So if you're interested in making Halloween decor that looks like that, I will link it somewhere here or here, but this is how it looks on the mannequin. It's very creepy and gorgeous, very couture. So, okay, so this is another piece that I made. And so the centerpiece is this tarantula sitting here, and I added some crystals as eyes for the eyes. And then you can see that they're like flies or roaches. I don't know what else, what is that? But I attached them to the veil so that it looks really like weird and creepy. And this is basically the look. And I really like the way it turned out. It's pretty weird. And then this part is covered by paillettes that I individually attached. So she's just so super cute. I really like the way she turned out. Let me put it on. So, you know, she's like a lot, but pretty fabulous. It's definitely a Halloween moment, but like I was trying to make stuff that's more couture looking, like fashion, and less than a costume. But I don't know if it looks too much like a costume, but I like it. It's like a bride, a weird bride, right? Could be. Okay, so this one is more for boys, I think. I mean, anyone can pull it off, but this is like more toned down. I feel like a man can wear this. Like if they just don't want to be too flashy, they can wear something like that. And it's giving me very like Billie Eilish situation. And this is just a baseball hat that I zhuzhed up. And I'll show you how it looks on me. Hats don't usually look good on me, but it's a moment. You see the spiders? It's a look. It's kind of interesting, kind of cool. Also, I attached individually every single piece, like by hand. So it took some time, but it's really cool. It's a cool hat. Very LA, I would say. Okay, so I want to show you these two. So the first one is that is this hairband that I zhuzhed up. So I attached this mesh and other pieces, and the base was beautiful, as like it came with those crystals, so I didn't have to do much work. But I attached black roses, and it looks kind of Halloween, but it kind of also looks very 1920s, maybe not, but it looks good. Even if Halloween goes by, someone can still wear it, you know. So let me show you how it looks. So that's basically it. It's very interesting. Pretty happy with that. And this is more Halloween-esque because we have a spider right here. And I won't be trying it on because you guys kind of get an idea of how it would sit. But yeah, it was pretty simple. Like this took me 20 minutes to make. Don't tell anyone. Other pieces take way longer, but this one was easy, okay? All right, so this one is also just out of control beautiful. I decided to keep it simple and not add any spiders just in case Halloween will go by and it won't sell. But you can wear it this way for a very like extra moment. It's just so beautiful and cute. And I had to attach those feathers in, and I had the base. So, and this is how it looks on the inside. And all you do is just you clip it to your hair, and then you have the whole moment happening. Okay, so the next one up is this. It's a lot going on, but basically it's also a visor. Oh, it's a hat, actually. It's not a visor, but you can see that there's a spider happening here, and then I attached some sequin and feathers, and there's a spider right here hiding, so it's all creepy and weird. I have it on. Here how it looks. It's a lot. It's a lot, definitely happening a lot, and the spider is like so weird. But it's definitely interesting. It's a moment, you know? I don't know, it was kind of like under the sea situation with these. I don't know. It's kind of like as if you pulled it from the bottom of the sea. Very ocean-esque. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but that's what I was inspired by. I love these feathers, how they follow the sides. Very beautiful. And the base is just a hat. And the last but not least are these crazy glasses. The crazy glasses. So these are the goggles that I used, and I just attached a bunch of flies. This is how they look on the inside, pretty clean. And yeah, you can wear it this way. Creepy glasses. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that was fun. I hope that I inspired you to do something crazy for Halloween, because Halloween is also like a fashion moment. So this is what I think about Halloween whenever I'm dressing up. But yeah, these pieces are gonna stay in this beautiful store. I'll show you. I'll give you a little quick overview. This beautiful store that we have, and I'm very grateful to be a part of the boutique here on Melrose. And come check out Cosmo's Glam Squad and Cosmo and Donato, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!